An estimated 70% of clinical trials today use electronic data capture. Companies choose to use it over paper data collection to benefit in higher quality data and reduce costs. But few people know the interesting history of how EDC evolved over the past decades. In the 1960s, the information was collected on paper forms and physically delivered to the research sponsor that entered the data into databases hosted on early mainframe computers. At the beginning of the 70s, some institutions installed large mainframe computers at research sites so that clinicians could take charge of data entry. This solution was too much cost and too labor-intensive for most companies. During the 80s, with the advent of personal computers, clinicians were finally able to enter data directly at the research site. They used a data collection tool called Remote Data Entry, RDE, which was installed locally on a computer's hardware. Data was transmitted to the sponsor via phone line. From the 1990s, with the rise of the internet, EDC was born. EDC software was hosted on a server that could be accessed through the web by many computers at once. Sharing computing resources in this way made EDC drastically more time and cost-efficient than RDE. In 1997, the FDA issued Title 21 CFR Part 11 in March. With this regulation, the FDA began accepting electronic records and signatures as valid alternatives to paper records and handwritten signatures for the first time. Prompted by the FDA's acceptance, CDISC was born and aims to define global standards for information systems in clinical research. From 2009, Actide EDC offers an impressive array of functionality for clinicians. It provides researchers with a solution that streamlines the study build, data collection, and the management of clinical trials. Not only will you save money, you will save time. For the future, the industry experts predict that within the coming years, mobile technology will help virtualize the clinical trial process so that more data can be gathered through applications and wearable health devices. More patients will want to use their own devices to capture quality of life and health data. Personalized and precision medicine will make clinical research more complex and therefore require a better EDC. Don't waste time. Get ready to face the upcoming challenges of EDC together with Actide. See what we can do for you. Get in touch with us and get started